U.S. Rail Transportation Market Forecast, 2026-2030. Overview. Between 2026 and 2030, the U.S. rail transportation industry will see steady growth driven by freight efficiency, supply chain resilience, and renewed public and private infrastructure investment. Intermodal shipping, green logistics, and digital rail operations will be key areas of innovation. With federal support and sustainability goals in focus, rail is poised for a strategic comeback in both freight and passenger segments. Year-by-year outlook 2026. Market growth, +3.1%. Drivers. Infrastructure bill investments begin delivering long-term upgrades. Opportunity. Rail freight services supporting e-commerce and Midwest manufacturing business. Tip. Partner with ports or local warehouses to offer first last-mile drayage and rail transfer 2027. Market growth, +3.5%. Trend. Shift from long-haul trucking to rail intermodal shipping, fuel savings, labor shortages in trucking. Smart move. Start a regional intermodal logistics service focused on agricultural or industrial freight. Green bonus. Begin transitioning to hybrid or electric yard locomotives 2028. Market growth, +3.9%. Shift. Demand for faster, more reliable freight tracking and scheduling. Tech play. Offer software tools for real-time shipment visibility and railcar tracking. Additional opportunity. Build relationships with 3PLs and logistics firms integrating rail into supply chains. 2029. Market growth, +4.4%. Focus. Expansion of high-speed rail in select corridors, e.g. California Northeast. Opportunity. Work in construction, design, or support services for passenger rail infrastructure smart strategy. Offer rail-grade materials or safety, compliance consulting for contractors 2030. Market growth, +4.9%. Outlook. Electrification and automation begin scaling. AI-assisted rail operations go live. Big opportunity. Launch tech-enabled rail logistics platforms or predictive maintenance services. Next-level strategy. Develop workforce training or retrofitting services for next-gen rail systems. What will be profitable in rail? 2026-2030. Freight rail support services, yard logistics, maintenance, safety consulting, and local drayage connections, intermodal and transloading services, especially at ports, border crossings, and major distribution hubs. Digital rail logistics platforms, SaaS for tracking, scheduling, compliance, and load planning, green rail infrastructure, electric switcher engines, hybrid retrofits, and ESG-compliant operations, passenger rail construction and supply, in-demand contractors for Amtrak, high-speed corridors, and public-private rail expansion railcar leasing and repair businesses, maintenance, painting, safety inspections, and mobile repair services, AI-powered rail tech, predictive maintenance, fuel efficiency software, and autonomous yard coordination. How to build a business in rail transportation, 2026-2030. Start with freight-adjacent services. Build a small business offering transloading, last-mile, or drayage services at rail hubs. Leverage infrastructure funding. Tap into federal and state grants for transportation, clean energy, and freight upgrades. Go niche in rail logistics. Offer services for specific commodities, grain, timber, chemicals, or tailored tech tools. Build strategic partnerships. Work with Class 1 railroads, port authorities, or industrial shippers. Adopt green and smart technologies. Invest in electric vehicles for yard logistics or predictive software for fleet operations. Target public projects. Get certified to bid on Amtrak and DOT contracts for rail repair, upgrade, or construction. Train the workforce. Offer certified training programs for railcar techs, engineers, or digital dispatchers. Where to find jobs in rail transportation, 2026-2030. Top roles: railroad conductors and engineers, rail logistics coordinators, track maintenance technicians, rail car repair and safety inspectors, train dispatchers, project managers, infrastructure, civil, data analysts for freight optimization, environmental and compliance officers, rail-specific top employers, Union Pacific, BNSF, CSX, Norfolk Southern, Amtrak, Canadian National, regional short line operators, growth regions, Chicago, Texas, Dallas, Houston, California, Missouri, Georgia, New Jersey, Ohio, and Pacific Northwest, top job boards, rail jobs, Indeed, LinkedIn, Amtrak Careers, Class 1 railroad websites, FRA and DOT job portals. Final thoughts from 2026 to 2030, U.S. rail transportation will become more efficient, sustainable, and digitally integrated. Whether you're launching a service business near a rail hub or building rail tech software, the industry is shifting toward modernization and resilience, making it a strong space for long-term growth.